Hello guys, welcome to the Bangier Minings. Today I like to share with you one more passive income project, PacketStream. Before start the video, disclaimer: this video is only for educational purpose. Let's start it. PacketStream. What is a PacketStream? Residential proxy network. Residential proxies powered by peer-to-peer bandwidth sharing. Become a packeter. Share your bandwidths. So on PacketStream lets you earn passive income by selling your bandwidth to people and companies around the world. Buy bandwidth, access the network. You either buy extra bandwidth to use the internet from different IP addresses, kind of like a VPN. What is a income? $0.10 per GB internet. Become a pocketer if you sell. That is a earning. And if you buy, what is $1 is per GB. Okay. How it's work? More accurate data with packet stream residential proxy networks. What is the advantage of people use this? Packet stream multi-hoop proxy tunnels enable business automations toolings access more reliable data and unlock geolocation restricted content, access the network with exist data collection tooling and use one of PacketStream marketplace app. Content verification, price comparison, brand protection and social marketing. PacketStream technology partners Docker, Geo, Stripe, PayPal. That's let's some do questions. What is about? Is PacketStream safe? We imply various measures to maintain the proxy privacy and security of our user. Our product engineers use industry established encryptions and security practices to keep pocketer and customer data safe and secure. It's different questions and different answers. You can search that. What get I am paid as a pocketer? Today we are focus as a pocketers. Okay, what is the earning if we sell our data? Pocketers make the PacketStream network work, and who works for free? PacketStream customer pay by use PacketStream network. We pay our pocketer enable our customers web squarely and privately. What is the earning? You can on the main site page that is $0.10 per GB. Here's some pros and cons the PacketStream. It's a completely passive income. Pays real cash, low cash out requirement, decent referral programs if you sign up with some friends. The cons: earning potentially can be low or extremely. Before start, first of all, we need to register. We need to sign up. Just click on sign up button, enter any username, your email address and password. Click on and submit it. Click the sign up. It's open this page, PacketStream. Get started. Do you want to earn money? A by bandwidth. We will be select earn money. As it's all information. Click on earn money. It's open download PacketStream main page. That is a downloading page. You can check on the left hand side, it's a different pages: dashboard, account, referrals, download. That is a download. Click on which you want download. We are using window, we download window version. You can download for Mac's operating system, and it is also available Linux. After its downloading is started, so that is a main dashboard. Here it will be show balance, bandwidth consumed, traffic sold, all information you can check when is the application is running. Okay, what is your earning, what is are using, and that is a profile. Here is your email address, you can change password, and you can withdraw money. A 30%, 3% is, sorry, 3% is faces withdraw. And if you shares limited 20%, limited time 20% referral bonus promo, you can share with your friends and video, that is a 20% extra bonus you will be receive it. That exactly same download page where you can download version for any. That is a all PacketStream answer question: what is a PacketStream, how does PacketStream is works. You can read all information and check everything. It is a safe site for you before using the PacketStreams. You do own research. Okay, it is really helpful for you. That is a blog page. Is let's we start installation of the PacketStreams. A PacketStream installation is in process. It just takes, it's depend on PC, just take few seconds, minutes. Here enter your username when you created your sign up account. It's verification boards, select boards, submit, get started. That's the application. It's the same like your dashboard's main dashboard picture. It's not any difference with it. It's installation in processes in background. Here you can check it's running. It's running now. After few times you can check what's your earned. Here is the same dashboard, account, referrals, sports, and logout. You can cancel anytime logout. You can stop, run, you can uninstall the application if you don't like. It's not an issue. I hope you like the video. Please like and share the videos. Thank you. Bye.